So we have some instant oats. So they're pre-cooked. They're quick cooking oats. You can use regular old-fashioned rolled oats. You just cook it for longer. And then you put the heat on. First I start here on medium high. And then once it starts boiling, I bring it down to like medium low. And then I add oat milk. This is for the kids, not for me. So it's not low fat or anything like that. So I start with oat milk, add in a scoop. It says Shakeology scoops. I don't know how much that is, but it looks approximately like this much. So that's probably like, I don't know, quarter of a cup, third of a cup. So then I add in that, and then I add in some fresh grated nutmeg, which looks like that. And you can just use a Microplane zester, and just, you can see I grated in already since I only have one hand. Then I added some cardamom, just a pinch. And then I like Ceylon cinnamon. It's a little bit more, it's supposed to be better for your blood. The Ceylon, I think Ceylon, C-E-L-O-N, C-E-Y-L-O-N, Ceylon cinnamon instead of regular Vietnamese cinnamon. I think the best cinnamon is supposed to be Vietnamese cinnamon, but Ceylon or Ceylon, however you pronounce it, is supposed to be better for your blood or something like that. So I get that version. You just buy like a bag of organic ground cinnamon, just keep it in the freezer and just refill the bottle as needed. And then I'll add a pinch of clove, pre-ground clove, just a pinch, because clove is pretty strong, so you don't want to add a lot. And then I'll put in some ginger. And then, since it's the winter, I like to make sure the kids stay warm with ginger. It's very warming. It's great for digestion. And then once it cooks for a while, it looks pretty done, I just turn it off. And then I add some organic almond butter. The only ingredient in here is almonds. Let's see, roasted organic almonds. And then I just keep it in the fridge. Usually I don't keep stuff in the fridge, but it's said to refrigerate after opening. So we've been stirring it up first to make sure all the oil is incorporated. And then I just add like a whopping tablespoon in here. And then you can sweeten it with maple syrup if you're vegan. If you're not vegan, you can add honey. And then I just pour a little bit of soy cream on top, add some sliced bananas, and then the kids love it. It's like their favorite oatmeal. If you don't want to bother with all these spices, you can just buy pumpkin spice and put it in. Good morning, Austin.
Good morning.
So he loves his oatmeal so much that he requests it on most days because he says it's the healthiest way to eat. Right, Austin? Okay, so hope you have a great day. Hope you get some new ideas on how to cook the best oatmeal on the planet. And here's to you living a soul elevated life.